The CEO of QBE is departing the company. This is over a conduct breach.
Yes, QBE have just announced this morning. Chief Executive Pat Regan is stepping down after almost 3 years in the role as Chief Executive over a conduct breach. As QBE say, this follows an external investigation concerning workplace communications that the board concluded did not meet the standards set out in the Group Code of Ethics and Conduct. QBE's Group Chairman Mike Wilkins said this morning in a statement, "We are committed to having a respectful and inclusive environment for everyone at QBE. The board concluded he had exercised poor judgment in this regard." So Mr Wilkins is going to assume the role of Executive Chairman, which will take on the day-to-day oversight of QBE until a new CEO has been found. And Mr Wilkins has a lot of experience in this area. Back in 2018, he took over from AMP Chief Executive Craig Mellor, who stepped down in early 2018, and Mr Wilkins led that business until the new CEO, Francesco Di Ferrari, was implemented about 6 to 8 months later. So he does have quite a bit of experience in this area. The company QBE is now going to review its culture and create a new way for employees to safely raise internal concerns. And Tom, of course, this just comes just 1 week after the chairman of AMP, David Murray, resigned over basically the way that business handled sexual harassment allegations within the insurer. So this is going across the whole financial services industry now.
Ed, let's turn to house prices. CoreLogic releasing their data for August, the 4th month in a row of a fall.
That's right, yes. COVID-19 is obviously causing a pretty big impact on the housing market. We've seen auction clearance rates and stock levels really fall across the country in recent months, and property prices fell 0.4% in August, their 4th month in a row of falls. If we take a look at this chart, you'll see Melbourne's housing market is the main drag on the headline results. Melbourne down 2.1% in the Melbourne down 3.5% in the quarter, Sydney down 2.1% in the quarter. On a monthly basis, Melbourne down 1.2%, Sydney down 0.5%. But the regional markets are performing well. If we look at the month of August for Canberra, it increased, the prices went up by 0.5% there, Darwin also up 1%. But on an annual basis, Sydney is still the best performing market. Property prices in Sydney up about 10% in the year to August, Tom.